This cocktail is called Dream Cocktail. Go ahead and start off by putting ice in our mixing glass like so. Then we're going to do 1.5 ounces of brandy. There's 1, and there's 1/2. Now we're going to do 1/2 ounce of triple sec, like so. And last but not least, we're going to do 3/4 ounce of anisette, or anise. It's a licorice-flavored liqueur made from anise seeds. Shake it all together. So the combo here is brandy, orange-flavored liqueur, and a little bit of a licorice flavor. Get your martini glass out. This is what your dream cocktail is going to look like. And you are on your way to having a dream-filled evening. Or maybe having good dreams. There you go. Cheers.